Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is 𝐙𝐈𝐍𝐍𝐔𝐑𝐀𝐈𝐍. I'm a former student of HEXA'S Zindabazar. Today is our base is aimed, and my teacher were Qasim sir and Yahya Chaudhary sir. They are very cooperative and friendly. And Qasim sir were expert teacher and he teaches since 10 years. It was unbelievable. And when I get admitted at HEXA'S Zindabazar, I knew some rules and regulations from internet, and I try to follow this. And I do complete my homework regularly and attend classes every day in 2 months. Like HEXA'S Zindabazar provides us so many kinds of facilities, especially speaking care, speaking cafe, reading writing care, most interestingly HSU course, which is suitable for every kind of students who try to get ready for IELTS exam. And their environment and their faculty member management were amazing. Like maximum student, it's around 10,000 to 15,000 students are there, but their management was so incredible. They handle it easily. And when we went HEXA'S Zindabazar, in my opinion, I feel over the moon because I found everything in there, like all in one sector: speaking, listening, and most interestingly, they have a course, like separate course: reading course, only 1 month course; writing course, only 1 month course. So it is also interesting parts of IELTS students. And I got best performer award at my class. And when I get admitted, I saw a lot of videos on internet that students get best performer award from HEXA'S, and they share their opinion on internet. At that time, I realized that I want to get a best performer award one day, inshallah. And that's why I do hard work regularly, and as a result, I got my desired best performer award. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.